Fennel's action on spasms is also really great for the lungs. So that makes fennel great for any bronchitis or consistent coughing that's happening. It will help relax the lungs and clear it out. The best thing to do is to make a fennel honey. So you can take 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, crush them up, and put that in 2 cups of honey. And you're gonna put that in a jar and you're gonna keep that for a week. What I would do is just kind of oscillate the jar back and forth to make sure that the honey is getting all the way around those seeds. Let that sit. A week later, you're gonna take that honey out, you're gonna warm it up a little bit and strain it so that you can get the seeds out. Now your honey's good for use.